Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to turn on switch control on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly you have to go to your settings on your phone. After that, find out the accessibility. It's in the third section. Here you are. I'm gonna open it right now. And now you just have to go to the switch control option. If your iPhone with the Face ID, you have to triple click the side button. If your iPhone with the home button, just triple click the home button. Here I use iPhone X, iPhone 10, so I'm gonna triple click the side button. Yeah, as you can see now, my control center is gone, and I'm gonna click it again and it's back. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.